The first question says the long run growth in GDP is determined by what? And so remember that this is going to be a kind of definition based question. It's going to be testing our knowledge of the productivity function, and we know that that's going to be determined by a number of factors, and those are going to be capital stock, labor force participation, I believe, technology, and putting all this together, you have productivity, right? And so if we have those four things, we can describe how much growth we expect GDP to experience in a given amount of time. Capital stock refers to the availability of physical capital as well as human capital and existing capital and resources. Labor force refers to the size of the population that you're able to employ. Labor force participation and refers to how much of the labor force that is possible to employ is actually going to be employed. And technology is going to refer to our ability to combine those resources together, the capital stock we already have, the labor force that we have, into actual products that contribute to GDP. And so if we have those factors, we can get an idea of the long-run growth rate of GDP. So let's take a look at the previous tutor's answers. The previous tutor says, the long-run economic growth of the GDP of a country is determined by its capital stock, labor force participation, labor productivity, and technology. The sustained increase in the quantity of goods and services produced in an economy is described as long-run growth. The ratio of economic output with respect to the quantity of inputs available, namely capital, labor, energy, and raw materials. So so capital, labor, energy, and raw materials would fall under capital stock. We have the labor force participation rate, the availability of technology, and the productivity of labor determines the growth of the economy. So yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with the answer choice, and we're all set to move forward with that. Great answer.